It's really nice here. Isn't it, Pete? What's Bonnie doing? Yeah, we managed to find sticks on the beach. It's quite fun because they're quite hard to find. This is our favourite little spot, mine anyway, and the dogs love it. They all she's loving sniffing it all at the minute. The wind, it's very salty, very seaweedy smell, kind of dead fishy smell, but not really, just a nice sea smell. And it's just us here, which is nice. Not just us, because there's some birds. We're actually underneath a nest just up there. I don't know if you would be able to recognise the hole in the rock where the nest would be. But yeah, we have a little bit of company. So today's thought, in fact, today's thing was for me to come and exercise what I speak, which is to oh, so she spotted the nest. I think someone's going to come flying out in a minute. Hey, see? There you go. You know what's going on, don't you? So she's checking everything out. A good bit of air smelling. And then we got a stick chewer. Me and him just hanging out, looking at the waves. And then we've got Petal there getting up to all sorts. A rabbiter on a beach. They find something to rabbit with. So I'm practicing what I preach, which is to rebalance or balance, be a balanced being through nature, or because you're in nature. Really, I think I mean is what I do is to rebalance myself, check myself in my balance in me, and find that zone, that internal space which is reflective of the external space when you are in nature and everything is being its being and nothing is upset with anything else. It's just as it is and all perfectly perfect. And thus I can be perfectly happy right now, which is great because there's 10 days till Christmas. And not that I really do Christmas in the usual sense, let's say, but certainly it's a time for family and people getting together and stuff. And that's really nice. I'm looking forward to that. I like it. But for a couple of weeks, every day something strange happens, something difficult, a problem. In fact, sometimes more than once a day. Very silly, strange things to do with vehicles, drain covers, stuff that certainly no nature's got any control over or, you know, any influence in. So yeah, maybe it's a Mercury thing, the planets are up to stuff. But personally, I've decided today that this walk is for me, and I've only got my own dogs, so I leave them be and they leave me be, and we hang out together. I'm just one of the pack today. So I feel a great relief from any responsibility or need to control the outside world, and therefore I can soak up everything around me that's feeling life affirming. A good old salty sea. It's nice right now. Obviously there's these waves, but look how calm it is out there. And the light, there's not a lot of light, but the light that there is casting some very nice sort of green, dark green shades on it. There's plenty to look at, plenty to listen to. Got very, very good company and no drama. You know, until our bellies are telling us that we need to go and re-energize in a physical way. So this is my emotional, not mental. Don't like that word. It's thrown around terribly. I'm going to do a video on that one day. Yeah, one day soon. My psychological or awareness, you know, my thinking and my feeling are absolutely in perfect harmony at this time, in this place, with these wonderful... Oh, where's she gone? I can't find... Oh, right. Hey, darling. So, have a lovely day. And nature's always there for you. It's always going to be there doing the same thing. You're going to recognise it. It feels familiar. You can feel settled in yourself. So if you're having, I don't know, a difficult planetary time, strange time, then yeah, give it a go. Get out and let everything just be around you, and so you can feel like you. And then when you have to step into that weird, strange world, then you can go and do that, because you'll feel replenished. Fill up your cup. Fill up your cup. Go out and serve. When you need to fill up, come back. Oh, missed it. Quite a big one. Once you've filled up your cup, go out. Do what you need to do for everything and everyone else. And then go and fill up your cup again and feel good. Okay. Take care.